Hey y'all, so on occasion it becomes necessary to move a Monarch Chrysalis. And I've made other videos showing ways, but I have a new way that I'm using that doesn't use like dental floss or tying. It's actually pretty simple. And I have a chrysalis out here that I want to move inside, so I figured I'd make a quick video and just show you how I'm doing that now when the need arises. Okay, so right here I have a beautiful Monarch Chrysalis in my outside enclosure. And not really raising monarchs out here in them right now. And I want to move this one in because it gets really hot out here. And I don't know, I just think they'll be safer inside. And the first thing you want to do is make sure that it is fully formed and hardened, because you don't want to move a chrysalis that has just been formed, because it'll still have a little bit of gush mush factor and you can damage the chrysalis. So you want to make sure the chrysalis has been there for several days before you attempt to move it, which this one has, so it's fine to move. So the chrysalide is attached with a little silk button, and it hangs from that with its cremaster. That's like a little black hook that goes into the silk. So you want to clasp it right at the top and grasp the silk and pull it down with the silk. See how I did that? All right, now I'm going to take it in and I'll show you what I do next. All right, so now I've got it laying here on my work table, and you can see the silk and the cremaster and the chrysalis. So I have a large supply of this random thing because I'm a teacher and we have large supplies of random things, and I discovered a way to use it to hang these, which is pretty fabulous. So this is a sheet of little Velcro square, and the back of the squares have an adhesive on it that's really sticky, and it sticks very well to itself. So what I do is I take one of the squares off and fold it so the sticky part is coming together, and fold it right around the end of the cremaster, and then I have a nice little attachment to get a good grip on it and hang it. So I'm just going to tear off one of these, and then with the sticky side down, I'm just going to push it up against the silk and fold it over and give it a little squeeze. So I've got the cremaster and the silk in there, and now it will just hang like this. And now here I am in my enclosure, and just gonna take this little guy, hold him right up to here, clothespin, and clip it on, and there we go. Super easy. I love it. And here you can see the successful eclosing of a monarch butterfly using this process. I hope you found this video helpful.